time to renew your membership. Come check out everything we've been doing.
As always, we work hard to make sure the path is beautiful for all of you to enjoy.
We've been able to create and maintain gardens full of native plants that we use to promote biodiversity, support wildlife, and beautify the park.
We've been working hard to remove invasive plants in areas like this. This is a little pocket park that hopefully will soon become an outdoor classroom for kids to be able to learn and grow in nature.
We've been working to reduce maintenance through beautification. This used to be a slope of grassy weeds that we mowed every week. Now it's a bed of wildflowers.
We got big plans to come and I would love to share those with you. So schedule a tour with us and learn what's to come. We're a small and mighty team, but we couldn't do everything that we do without your support. Thank you.